po sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino. Masaya po tayo dahil lang po yung naging bahagi ng Golden Anniversary ng Metro Manila Film Festival. At ang nawagi sa Second Best Picture ay ang pelikulang The Kingdom.
To present the award, we have Senator Bongo and Senator Francis Tolentino.
This opportunity to express my extreme gratitude. Ako po si Jane Basas, I head MQuest Ventures. And I'd like to thank my co-producers, si Direct Mike Toviera from APT, si Vic Soto po, si Mr. Vic Soto from MZ, and of course, ang boss ko, ang chairman ng MQuest, si Manuel D. Pangilinan, for believing in the film from the very beginning, sa paghanap po ng pondo para itaya sa pelikula. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Direct Mike kasi noong February po, nilapitan niya ako at pinente niya sa akin yung pangarap niya sa isang pelikula na ang titulo at that time was Baluarte. In 5 minutes, I said, let's go, let's make this happen. Maraming salamat, Direct Mike, para sa tiwala sa isang unknown company like MQuest Ventures. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Papa P at saka kay Vic Soto kasi ang usapan namin ni Direct Mike, pag hindi kumayag si Bossy, si Papa P, hindi namin gagawin. Thank you very much for loving the film, to the cast, the crew, the creative people, production people. Maraming salamat po. This will embolden us to make better, bolder, bigger films in the future. Maraming salamat po.
Nagdag lang po ako kasi tinanong ko si Bossing kung anong, because sabi ko, Bossing, kung medyo swerte tayo, meron ka bang gustong ipasabi, ako nang bahala para sa'yo. Ang sinabi lang naman niya, of course you guys know Bossing is a man of few words. Ang sinabi lang niya, maraming salamat sa bansa ng Pilipinas sa pagsuporta sa bansa ng kalayaan. Yun yung naman sinabi niya. So we dedicate this to him. Unfortunately, he couldn't be here, he's with his family. Pero maraming salamat, Bossing. Mabuhay ang Laka, mabuhay ang The Kingdom. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations to our 4th Best Picture winner, Isang Himala, our 3rd Best Picture winner, My Future You, and 2nd Best Picture winner, The Kingdom.